how to update TikTok on Android. So if you want to update TikTok on Android, then first of all open up your Play Store. So if you want to update any of the apps on Android, then you will have to open up your Google Play Store. And after opening your Play Store, here on the upper side you will have the search bar, right? Simply tap on that search bar and then you have to simply type for TikTok. And after typing, now here you will have your TikTok application on your Google Play Store, right? So if you have an update option instead of this open option, then you need to update your TikTok application. But if you don't have update under that open option, then your TikTok has been recently updated and it doesn't need an update. So you can simply tap on update if you have an update, and that's it. And after that, it may take some time to update, and after that you can simply open up your TikTok and then use it. So that's it. That's how you update from your Google Play Store. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.